Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency on YouHodler. So let's get started right away. First of all, tap on the YouHodler application to open it up. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your biometrics or your PIN code to log in. Once you have logged in, you will be taken into your homepage. Now, right from your homepage, you will find the total value section of your wallet. This will be shown in either Euro or USD. You can simply tap on the drop-down menu and select from the two available currencies. And now your currency has been changed to the one that you just selected. You can simply tap on this drop-down menu anytime and change your currency at any time that you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the currency on the YouHodler application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.